Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to knit in the round. Perfect for toys, socks, mittens, sleeves, and other small projects. The first method is the classic one, knitting in the round with 5 double-pointed needles. Here's how it works. The stitches are evenly distributed across 4 needles, and the 5th needle is used to knit. This technique has stood the test of time. Our grandmothers used it too. Pros: great stitch control, easy to manage complex stitch patterns, no special tools required. Cons: handling 5 needles can feel fiddly. Needles might slip out, especially at the beginning. If you love traditional methods, this one's for you. The second method is the magic loop technique. You'll need 1 long circular needle, typically 80 centimeters or longer. As you can see, the stitches are divided in 2, and the cable forms a loop between them. This allows you to knit even the smallest circumferences in the round. Pros: only 1 pair of needles needed. Great for travel. No risk of losing extra needles. Cons: takes a bit of practice to get used to. Constantly adjusting the loop can be annoying. If you want a minimal and flexible setup, this method is a great choice. The third method uses Addi Crasy trio needles, or similar flexible double-pointed needles. These come in sets of 3, each with a flexible cord in the middle. You divide your stitches between 2 needles and use the third one to knit. Because they're flexible, your hands can move more naturally while working. Pros: fewer needle transitions equals fewer gaps, comfortable hand position, less risk of dropped needles. Cons: not as widely available, the short length can take some getting used to. A perfect balance between DPNs and magic loop. Each of these methods has its strengths. The best one depends on your personal style and project type. I hope this video helps you decide which technique suits you best. Which method do you prefer?